Today we're going to be talking about the brutal truth of ranking your local business on Google Maps. I know a lot of you feel like you've checked all the boxes. You got a great website, some reviews, filled out your Google My Business profile, but somehow these businesses that are not as good as you in terms of service are ranking higher than you in the map pack. I know it can get frustrating as hell. Hi, I'm Prithvi. I'm the guy you need to follow for all things SEO. And I'm about to break down 5 things that actually move the needle for local SEO. This isn't beginner stuff. It's what top 1% businesses are doing to dominate on Google. First off, your Google My Business profile category is everything. Not your reviews or backlinks or your services or your about us. Just your category. If Google doesn't know exactly what you're doing, good luck ever cracking the top spots. You gotta pick the category correctly that matches how people are actually searching for your business and not how you internally think about your business. Next, fill out all the sections on your Google My Business profile. Right from your photos, services, about us to your location. It's crazy how much of a boost this gives you, and most businesses are too lazy to do it. Now for your website, get your city name on your core pages. In the title tags, headers, naturally in the copy. Google needs to definitively associate you with your location. Just don't overdo it to the point where it looks spammy. For Google reviews, you do want a good quantity of them, but quality always wins. A 4.8 rating will always beat a 4.1 if they have more reviews. What you need to focus on is getting customers to leave you a review once they are happy with your service. Lastly, internal links. They are sneaky powerful. Linking into your money pages from your other pages on the website is absolutely crucial. This is what drives revenue, and here's how to do it. Sprinkle in location-focused anchor text and link to the same page your Google business profile points to. This is exactly how you create a supernatural authority signal.